Hi everyone, today I have a pre-Poila Baisakh meetup in the evening, so I got ready and this is the makeup look I ended up with. This is a quick, easy evening time makeup look if you are going out with friends, so if you are interested then let's get started. My lips were literally dying, so I used this lip oil that I recently got from Nykaa. You will definitely see it in my Nykaa haul, and as this is a pH lip oil, so it also adds a beautiful tint. Next I'm using the Dermaco 1% kojic acid face wash. This has 1% kojic acid, 1% niacinamide and alpha-arbutin. All Dermaco products are fragrance-free and dermatologically tested. If you are suffering from pigmentation, dark spots, acne scars, melasma or even suntan, kojic acid is a great ingredient to have in your skincare routine. This face wash is very gentle on the skin. It doesn't feel dry or it doesn't strip off the moisture from your skin. Also, it helps in reducing dark spots and pigmentation. Niacinamide also works great on pigmentation and alpha-arbutin controls melanin production. I'm gonna follow it up with the 2% kojic acid face serum, which helps to even out the skin tone and minimizes the recurrence of discoloration. This has such a beautiful lightweight formulation that literally absorbs into the skin in seconds and doesn't leave any residue. Now kojic acid lightens dark spots, treats melasma and decreases the appearance of scars, while alpha-arbutin controls the production of melanin and gently evens out your skin tone. For summer, if you have irritated or compromised skin, you can use this 4% ceramide barrier repair moisturizer. It nourishes your skin and repair your skin's natural barrier. This contains niacinamide that boosts ceramide production, and ceramide repairs and strengthens your skin barrier. I love this moisturizer so much because it's very lightweight, hydrating and calming on the skin, and it provides you moisturization up to 24 hours. These are available on Dermaco's own website, Nykaa, Amazon, Flipkart and Purple. I do have a coupon code. If you use that on the Dermaco's website, you will get extra 20% off. Every time you buy from them, Dermaco will link your order to a child that they help educate along with Bhumi. They have empowered 15,000 students this year with their Young Scientist initiative. Now I have changed my outfit, so let's get started with the makeup. For primer today, I'm using this Swiss Beauty Real Makeup Base. It's a dewy illuminating primer. If you have dull, dry, dehydrated skin, you should definitely try this one out because it adds a beautiful glow to the skin. As this is summer, so I want my base to be sweat proof and long wearing. For that, I'm using this L'Oreal Paris Infallible Foundation. It's waterproof, it's sweat proof and it's quite long wearing. It blends beautifully into the skin and doesn't look heavy or cakey. To set my foundation into place, I'm using this L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour Fresh Wear Powder Foundation. It sets your makeup, and how? Let me tell you, it's a full coverage compact, it has a matte finish and it stays put throughout the day. Now I'm using a dewy setting spray to set my base makeup into place, and then I will move on to the eyes. Today I'm using this warm neutral eyeshadow palette. It has such beautiful shades. So first I used a dark brown shade to fill in the gaps of my brows. And then I'm gonna take this shade as my transition color and apply it all over my crease. Then using this lighter cream shade to blend out the edges so that there is no harsh lines. And using this beautiful golden shade all over my eyelid. The shadows in this palette, they are so creamy, blendable and pigmented. I absolutely love it. This palette is totally worth your money. Now I'm blending out the edges with the same transition brush and then applying this beautiful rose gold shade on top of that previous golden shade. This will just add a little pop. For kajal, I'm using this Faces Canada All-Time Pro Gel Kajal. This kajal is jet black, it's quite long wearing, and also this is waterproof. So first I'm gonna tightline my eyes with it, and then I'm gonna smudge out my bottom lash line. Now I'm taking this beautiful dark brown shade and smudging out my bottom lash line further. This will also prevent your kajal from spreading. To finish off my eye makeup look, as usual, I'm gonna curl my lashes and apply 2 coats of mascara. For my lips and my cheeks, I'm using this beautiful gloss from Blur. It works beautifully on your cheeks as well as on your lips. I love the formulation of this. It's very lightweight, it's hydrating, blends beautifully, and it's very long wearing as well. To set the liquid product into place, I need a loose powder because I have oily skin, and if I don't set this, it's going to melt off. And see how natural it looks? And lastly, I'm gonna add some highlighter because I am all about glowy, dewy makeup, and this highlighter is my all-time favorite. I'm sorry I forgot to add earrings, but I added it later. But this is how my makeup has turned out. I am so in love with it. If you like this video or find this video helpful, definitely let me know in the comment section below. Do subscribe to my channel and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.